In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a verified working PayPal account to easily send and receive money right here in Nigeria or any other African country. Okay guys, as we all know, PayPal has placed restrictions to some countries, which means that these countries cannot use the whole functionality of PayPal, which is to send and receive money. And Nigeria and some other African countries are not excluded, whereby you can only send and you cannot receive. And most people who use PayPal actually use it for the purpose of receiving money, especially international funds from their online businesses, such as freelancers, affiliate marketers, and even course creators, people who actually make money from the internet. And I believe the reason why you're watching this video is because you fall under one of these categories. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a working PayPal account to easily receive money from anywhere with it. So that being said, if you're here to subscribe to the channel, now will be the right time for you to do so. Just click on the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification so you get notified when I drop amazing videos just like this. That being said, let's go and see how to create our PayPal account right now. Okay guys, so right here on my browser, normally when you try to create your PayPal account, we all visit this website, which is paypal.com. This is what most people actually do. So as you can see, when you type paypal.com, normally you'll be redirected to your country. As you can see now, instead of going to just paypal.com, we have paypal.com/ng/home. So if you are in Nigeria or any other African country that is being restricted partially, you will be brought to this page. If you sign up here, you are making a mistake of creating that account because your account will be limited. So what do? You understand? So instead of just clicking on this sign up, all you just have to do, simply just scroll down to the bottom of this page. And as you can see, this icon that has the green, white, green Nigerian flag. If you are in any other African country that is restricted, you will see your country here. Don't click on your country. Just scroll down to this point that says Asia Pacific. And as you can see, this point that says United Arab Emirates, just tap on it. You can either use this way, or you can just type paypal.com/AE and it's going to take you here. So we are using the United Arab Emirates to create this. So stay with me and see how this works. So right now, what you just have to do is to click on the sign up for free option. And when you are brought to this point, there are two kinds of accounts that you can create, the personal account and the business account. So use the business account, and that is because you will not be asked for much information compared to when you are using a personal account. It will be easier for verification. So I'll just click on continue. So as you can see right here, they're asking me to put in my email address. So I'm just going to put in my email address here and continue. So as you can see right here, I've inputted my email address. I'll just click on continue. And if you check here now, they're telling me to set up my password. I'm going to simply set up my password and go forward. So as you can see, I've inputted my password and I'll just click on continue right here. So right now, as you can see, tell us about your business. What you just have to do is just to type in your legal name right here and your business name right here. So as for me, what I'm going to do, I'll just put in my name. And right here where they say business name, I'll still just use my name because that is like my business name. So I'll just continue. Then this point that it says business phone number. So ensure you use your Nigerian phone number or your country's phone number, depending on the country you are trying to watch this video for. So as for me, I'm in Nigeria. I'll locate Nigeria and I'll select and put in my phone number. So as you can see, I've added my phone number. I'll just scroll down to this point that says business address. So at this point, you see the trick I'm going to do right here. So right here, I'm going to put my own personal address, then I go forward. So as you can see right here, I've put in my own home address, my personal home address. But at this point that it says Emirates, I'm going to select a city in United Arab Emirates. I can just select any city right here I want. So I can select Dubai, Fujairah, or any place. So I'll just select, just go with Abu Dhabi and I'll just continue. So this point that says your primary currency, you can choose to use any of the currencies that have been shown here. As you can see, euro, but I prefer to go for the US dollar. So that being said, I'll just click on this point that says by clicking agree, I continue, and make sure my details are correct. Then I click on agree and continue. So as you can see here, they're telling me to describe my business. I'll just choose what my business is all about. I would advise you to use this point that says individual/sole proprietorship because it requires less approval of your business documents. So right now, I'll just type what my business is all about. I'll just type digital. So this is what my business is all about. And I'll just click on continue. The website option is very much optional. So right here, they need to know more about you. This is where you tell them more about who you are. So at this point, I'm going to put in my date of birth and my nationality and my identity card. And at this point that they say home address, I will just use the same as the one I imputed initially. So that being said, I'll just fill in all of these details and I'll click on continue. At this nationality, I will change it to Nigeria because that is my nationality. So I'll fill in all these other details and click on continue. So the national identity card, you can use any of these identity cards right here: national ID card, passport, driver license. Although the passport and driver license are very much easy to get approved, but national ID still works as well. So I've imputed all my details. I'll just click on submit. So ensure you cross check and make sure your details are correct. So as you can see right here, welcome to the PayPal commercial platform where you find tools that can help you grow your business. So right now, I have successfully created my PayPal account that I can use to receive money successfully from Nigeria. As you can see, pay and get paid. And to show you that this is correct, and if you scroll down here, you see this notification point, there is no red flag. Everything is just for me to just confirm my email address and I'll link my card. So I'll click this point now to confirm my email address. So as you can see, this is the email address I used. I'll just go to my email box and click on the confirm from PayPal. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is my email address, and if you see, I've received a few emails from PayPal, and the one I'm very much concerned about is this first one that says confirm your email account. So as you can see, I'll just click on confirm your email and my account will be automatically verified on PayPal. So as you can see, this is my account. I'll just click on confirm email address. Okay guys, so my account has been successfully verified and I have a working PayPal account that I can use to send and receive money successfully from Nigeria. You understand? So as you can see, everything is in place. US dollar, I can pay and get paid. So as you can see, this is so easy and smooth. So follow this process and you should be able to have created your own working PayPal account. So as you can see in this point that says link and confirm my debit card, in another video that I have done, which I have imputed the link on the description of this video, you will see how to actually link your PayPal account to be able to withdraw your funds from PayPal. So this is how to actually create a working PayPal account right here in Nigeria or any other country that is being restricted from PayPal. Okay guys, so that was it on the video and I believe you enjoyed that session. If you did and you're yet to subscribe to the channel, now will be the right time for you to do so. So just click on the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification so you get notified when I drop amazing videos just like this. And also, don't forget to comment, like, and also share this video so that people like you who need it will get to see it. So that being said, I'm going to see you on the next video. Take care and have fun.